Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I want to show you the new update on the KWAI chat in Command, otherwise known as KWIQ or KWIQ. He's got a new location, so I just want to show you how it's actually gotten easier to access him no matter where you are in Command. So as you can see on your screen, we are logged into Command, and while KWIQ used to live right here in a round button, now you can see him at the top, across the top in the black banner. He is now right here with the blue stars, KWIQ. This is your AI chatbot. So you can give him a click. It will open up a chat tab here. He gives you a few prompts. If you're not sure what to ask, you can enter a free form question right here as well. Now, do know that it is artificial intelligence, so any text and materials generated by him do need to be reviewed for accuracy and reliability, as there may be errors, omissions, inaccuracies. So just exercise some caution when receiving the information and applying it in your business. And also, KWIQ is great for questions about like the systems here, the KW models, Ignite, MREA, Shift, things like that. The things that Quick cannot answer are going to be specific business numbers about your business and production, like who's the hottest lead in my database, or will the interest rates drop this year? Things like that, it will not be able to provide the information for. But one good example of a question would be like, what is the KW lead generation model? You click enter or send and give him just a moment and he will give you an answer here. Usually they're pretty robust. You can see it's pretty long. I'm actually going to click this button here at the top right, which will expand him across your screen so you can see it a little clearer. But you can see all the different information that he gave you, including links for more information. And at the bottom, just know that you can actually give feedback and help make Quick a little more efficient by giving a thumbs up if it was accurate information or a thumbs down if it was not relevant. This will help train the AI bot to be more accurate in the future. So we'll go ahead and give him a thumbs up on this. And you can continue asking questions like using their follow-up prompts. You can copy them right here and go ahead and paste them down into the question box again and hit send if you need to. Notice that it's opened a new tab here. As you continue different conversations with the AI bot, tabs will open. And if you ever need to come back and visit your history, you have a tab right here for that as well. You can click these four arrows in the top to minimize him back down, or X to close him. And now that he's located in the banner at the top, you will actually be able to access him from any page within Command, Connect, or even Command MC if you're on the leadership team within your Market Center. So this makes him much more accessible from anywhere within Command instead of him just being located right here on the dashboard. If you have any questions about him or anything else to do with your KW platforms, you can reach out to us here at Scott Leroy Marketing via our email. And that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. And we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.